Hey, I'm Stephanie Jaynes. I'm Director of Marketing for InspectorPro Insurance. We're here at one of the annual conventions that we support. We love showing up and supporting home inspectors and teaching them a little bit about how they can protect their businesses from claims. So a big thing that I do here is I do all the risk management content. So I write articles, we do presentations, like Will just did his presentation on understanding your policy and the top 5 claims against home inspectors. We do all that hopefully to give you more peace of mind and better protection so you know exactly what you're paying for and how you can inspect a little safer and get more sleep at night. Here at these shows, one of our main objectives is education, whether you're insured with us or not. We love the opportunity to talk insurance with you, make sure you understand what you're buying and what's actually in those 80-page long policies so that you can make better decisions and so you can buy more coverage when you need it. Most of the time when we come to shows, we're doing it to support our existing clientele and show you, hey, we really care about you. We love the fact that you insure with us. We don't consider you just a once a year type of relationship where you just pay us a bill and then go on your merry way. We really hope that you consider us an everyday resource where you can call us with questions that you have about insurance or about managing risk or even just being in the home inspection industry. Since this is for my birthday, a great gift for me would be to go and check out our risk management content on our website. Regardless of whether or not you're insured with us, it's something that I believe can really protect your business. I put my heart and soul into every article that we do. We make sure they're really well researched, really well documented, so that you know you're getting the information that you came there for. So go check out our blog, check out some of the great articles, and if you like what you read, you like what we do, you like us, definitely apply and continue to insure with us if you already do. Thanks so much.